Happy New Year, everybody. It's your boy, Young King Millions, AKA Young King Poetic. I have a special delivery here today. Happy 2020. I know it's been a minute. I've been starting my own business and it's been like booming. So definitely shout out to you guys, man. In 2019, we did big things. We hit over 1 million views on the how to lace the causeway on the Yeezys that I did on the Triple Whites. I appreciate all your support, so many comments and so many likes and things of that nature. A lot of you appreciated the work. I really appreciate every single one of you for supporting this channel. Because of that, you know, I thank you guys because that generated some income. It's gonna allow us to buy more equipment and as well as more sneakers to do more reviews for 2020. So without further ado, I got a new review here. This is a box. A lot of people comment checks over stripes, so figured I'll do a review of a pair of Nikes that I thought were just straight up fire. I mean, if you're reading the description and you see the thumbnail, you already know what sneakers these are. So I don't even know why I still do this. Of course, Nike. And here we go. Every year, KD releases like fire of the Aunt Pearls, and these are the 12th edition of the Aunt Pearls, and I can't wait. Actually, by the time I post this video, the shoe might have been out for 2 weeks because I'm gonna wait. Shout out to my sister for getting me floor seats to the Brooklyn Nets game versus the Orlando Magic in Orlando. So that will be the first time I put these on feet, other than for this video. So without further ado, let's get it. Yo, I absolutely love these sneakers, man. There's some crazy touches to it. This is all like a velvet feel here, so velvet material. Also inside of the shoe, the tongue of the shoe is all velvet. I love this little translucent all around the shoe with different touches with roses on the inside. I mean, the shoe is real fire, man. The fly wire in there, like the sole of the shoe with this little marble looking, this translucent right here, midsole. Like this shoe is fire, man. I thought they would go off the shelf quicker than what they really did, and resale would be bananas. I don't know if it's due to, you know, KD not actually playing this year, but these shoes are phenomenal, yo. Like, I think these are fire. I can't wait to wear them to the game. I love this 35 on the heel. It's amazing. Of course, the Aunt Pearls always have some wings associated with them. Look at the inside, the insoles of the shoe. Just so amazing, man. The details are phenomenal. Resale isn't that bad right now. Like on StockX, it's like $155 last I checked. You know, if it's updated since then, by the time I post this video, I will. But yeah, man, if you could cop these shoes, I really think these are fire. Like the detail is bananas. I haven't put them on feet yet simply because I want it to be special. First floor seat game in like over a decade. Of course, it being my home team, Brooklyn. You know, I grew up a Knicks fan, but I definitely rock with Brooklyn since that is my borough. Tell me what you think about these shoes, man. Comment below, subscribe, share this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Tell me what are your thoughts on this particular shoe, man. I really like it. I think it's mad dope. You know how I like to do it, keep these videos nice, short, and sweet. All right, holla at your boy. Happy New Year.
I just like